Ooh, hello. Maybe. And focus. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video of mine. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe before you guys leave. If you guys are an oldie but a goodie, thank you guys so much for coming back. Today's video, I just really wanted to focus on my beauty room and some of the stuff I have set up in here. I get a lot of questions where things are from, what I'm using, where I got stuff, all kinds of questions, but I'm going to give a little tour of my beauty room at the moment and where that's at. And I may go through and talk a little bit more about my filming setup and how I have things right now. So if you guys are excited to watch this video, then go ahead and keep watching.
If you want trust, you gon' have to give some away.
Alright guys, so when you first walk into my beauty room, this is what you guys see. To the left here, we have a couple signs up above and some makeup and some Alex drawers. I'll go into detail here in a second. So to the left, we'll start here. Up above, I have this gold parfum bottle. It's actually to carry change in. And then next to that, I have this vase with flowers. The vase was from Target. The flowers I'm pretty sure I got from Walmart. This acrylic case is from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. Or I don't even know. But the acrylic case had a little crack in it, so it was on sale. Super cheap. Just holds all my lip products. Down below I have this Alex drawer. It's a 9 drawer. It's from IKEA. And then on the shelf to the right of it here, I have this vase with a flower. This is from IKEA also. I'm not sure what this acrylic case is from, but all my lip products are Milani and NYX butter glosses. Up here I have this sign. It says, "She decided to live the life she's always imagined." And then I have one next to that. It says, "Love never fails." I don't know where that one's from. I don't know if I said it, but I think that one's from TJ Maxx. So moving on to my vanity here. I get so many questions about my vanity and where my vanity's from. The drawers down below are from IKEA. They're the Alex drawers. I believe these are the 6 drawer, so like that's 9, and those are less. And I got the tabletop from IKEA also. It's called the Limnen tabletop. It's a high gloss, so it's shiny. And then moving on to on top of my vanity, I have these over here. These clear glasses are from Walmart. These jewels, I have no idea where these are from, so sorry. But inside I just have some of my favorite makeup brushes. These are all Morphe, pretty much. A couple are different, but they're mostly Morphe. And then this little glass thingy here, I have like most of my chapsticks and stuff in, but I'm not going to go what's inside of it. But this is from TJ Maxx, this little glass thing. This was also from TJ Maxx. This was like a little tiny handheld mirror. And then this guy was from Target, I believe. This glass thing that just carries all of my beauty blenders and stuff. My mirror is from Impressions Vanity. I'm trying to look for something else I want to put. I kind of want to put just like a regular mirror up on the wall, and then that's it. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, but I hate replacing these lights all the time, and like one broke on me and stuff, and I don't know, I don't feel like Impressions Vanity is a very good company. I liked them a lot at first, and then I had a lot of problems with them, so I think I'm going to stop buying for their company. So that's why I want to invest in something else to do for my lighting or like my mirror on my vanity. So if you guys have any ideas, just comment down below. But to the right of my vanity, I have this sign. It's "Listen to Your Heart." I believe that's from Burlington Coat Factory. And then this little thing was from TJ Maxx. And then this was from Burlington Coat Factory. And I don't remember where this little thingy is from. I think it's just from Target, actually. And that's pretty much it, what's on my vanity in this corner here. So it pretty much covers that. This chair was from Burlington Coat Factory. The pillow was from TJ Maxx. And this blanket was from Burlington Coat Factory. But I really like it. The chair was kind of expensive. It was like over $100, but very cute, and it definitely goes pretty well, so I like it. So moving on to the right of my vanity, I have this wax shelf from IKEA, and then I have these little shelves from IKEA also. I don't remember what they're called, but they just carry some of my favorite nail polishes. This is the same as a couple of my other videos of my beauty room tours. This never really changed. But up here, I just have this little thing I made, and it has some pictures of me and my sister, me and my mom and my sister. Very cute. I love it. Over here I just have this book. It's a makeup book. It's called Making Faces. Over here I just have a sign that says never stop believing in yourself. I don't remember where that's from. Down here it has some lip glosses I got from Christmas, and it has this jar over it that's called Sweets. This was from TJ Maxx. That was a Christmas gift. Little Juice Couture perfumes, just like my diploma from high school. It has a candle and some random stuff on the bottom. And then sliding over, I have these signs. The middle one was from Burlington Coat Factory. The other two, I believe, were from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. Down below is my computer desk. My computer desk I bought off a website. I think it's called Joss in Maine. It was pretty expensive. It was like $200 or over that, but it's really good quality. The quality of it is amazing. It was really, really nice. I invested in a new desk because my other one was just not happening. I got it from Walmart and it was a piece of crap, so I had to invest in that. But this computer chair was from Ross. The white fuzzy pillow, I believe, was from Target. That white fuzzy rug down below, I believe that's just from Walmart. And that lamp onto the right is from TJ Maxx. And then this little flower thing is from, where's that from? Oh, Burlington Coat Factory. So moving on from my vanity and my computer area, so we just slid over here. Here's kind of a overview. So when you walk in, you just go to the left all the way to the right, and that's what you see. Behind us here, I have this mirror and this rug. The rug was from Burlington Coat Factory, and this mirror was from, where is this from? Walmart. It was like 40 or 50 bucks, and it was brown, but I spray painted it silver, so it ties in the room a little bit better. And then here's me, outfit of the day. Moving along, we're kind of walking towards my closet now. Over here I just have these little gold mirror things I got for Christmas. A couple things on top. The vase I'm not sure where it's from. I got this for Christmas, and then I don't know where that's from, but this little glass mirrored thingy my mom had, and it was black before. I painted it white and put new handles on it. This part is broke. I gotta get a new mirror piece for it, but other than that, it's really, really pretty piece. I just gotta get it fixed. But we'll now go into my closet area and where I film my videos. So when you first walk into my closet, here's an overview of my filming area and where I film my videos. To the right of us is my closet portion. So it has like all my clothes and shoes and jewelry and whatnot. I'll start over here and then work my way around. Down here I just have my freelance kit for makeup. I use a little table to take with me for freelance trips. This little basket is just full of like school supplies, like my nursing books, CNA books, stuff like that. So, and then of course just have all my clothes, scarves, jeans, Have lots of different shoes. And then over here I have this drawer nightstand thingy. This is also from IKEA. It's really good quality. It was really expensive. I think it was like $300 or something. But like the drawers are huge and everything. I've mentioned this drawer in previous videos, but it is amazing. Really, really good quality. And up above I just have some of my jewelry. And then this sign that says love. And then some perfume over here. And I'm wearing the necklace that's usually on here, so that's empty. And then some more clothes and just some storage up above. I got this light from Ross. It's just like a little battery operated press light. It's kind of nice when I'm in here in the dark at night and I can just have that on. And if I want to just come in, like that's on and ready to go. So that's kind of nice. So for lighting wise, I have 3 different lights. I have, what is it called? Fovitic Studio Pro. It was like $189 for all 3 lights, which is pretty good. It's nice because you can customize your lighting so you can have just those 2 on, or you can turn on all 3 so it's a little brighter. So then you can turn all 3 of those on. And you can use just those 2 if you really wanted to, and it could be cheaper for you, but I invested in this little hair light. So then you have a light up above on top also. So then right in the middle here, I have my tripod stand. This is where I keep my camera. That's from Best Buy. It was like 65 bucks. It's really nice. It has like a level on it and everything. Like, it has a level here. And then it also has one up on the top where the camera is. That is a Sun Pack tripod. It's really heavy duty and it works really well. And then in front of that I just have a mirror that I got a really long time ago. I have no idea where it's from. But the lights, they customize. You can move them up and down to wherever you want them. The hair light is kind of angled, and you put weights. I put rocks in the little bag to keep it balanced. And then I'll kind of go inside of the box here. I kind of walk in this little boxy place. I just have my wig hanging here on the side. But this backdrop stand was actually just from Amazon, and then the clips are from Home Depot, and they're those like little metal clips. They're really cheap. And then I use fabric to film with, so I go to like Joann's fabric store and I get like 2 yards. So I usually like spend maybe 20 to 30 bucks on one backdrop or something. This little plastic drawer is where I keep all of my different fabrics. So like I have lights in here and fabric. I have more fabric down here, and then I keep some different colored lights and some more fabric down here also. Because this little guy, you put light bulbs in here. It's just like a clip lamp from Walmart. It was only like 8 or 9 bucks. You can turn it on and have it like a gradient light in the background. So that's a really good idea for to save your money. This little stool, I have no idea where that's from. I want to say it's like from Gordman's, I think. And this rug, I have no idea where that's from either. I think it's Walmart. But this little desk I bought off like the Facebook swap, so I don't know where I got it. I just found it online. And then, like I said, I have 3 lights. So these 2 are the ones that I see. It's really bright. My camera's like right in the middle, but you guys can't like see that. And then the hair light up above. And then that's pretty much it back here. And I'll list my lighting in the description of what kind I got and where from. But other than that, that's really it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I can try to answer all of them, but that's pretty much it for my backdrops, my backdrop stand, that little Walmart clip lamp, fabric, my lighting, and my camera that I use is actually the Canon EOS Rebel. It's called the T6i. So that's pretty much it for my filming setup. I really like it, you guys. It works really well. And there's quite a bit of room. I mean, I still have a lot of closet space still, so it works out. But that's pretty much it for my room tour and my closet. Just kind of a big overview. I just wanted to talk about some of my stuff because I get a lot of questions, but a lot of my questions are really the Alex drawers. Those are from IKEA, and then the tabletop. But then I have my computer and my closet, filming setup, and that's pretty much it. And that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little tour and what I have going on for my filming setup. Like I said, if you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe before you guys leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!